Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, I am very much pleased to see the atmosphere here. Education means Krishna consciousness. That is education. If simply we understand that Krishna is the Supreme Person, He is great, and we are all subordinate. So our duty is to serve Krishna. These two lines, if we understand, then our life is complete. If we simply learn how to worship Krishna, how to please Him, how to dress Him nicely, how to give Him nice food stuff, how to decorate Him with ornaments and flowers, how to offer our respectful obeisances unto Him, how to chant His name. In this way, if you simply think, without any so-called education, we become the perfect person within the universe. This is Krishna. It doesn't require ABCD education. It requires simply change our consciousness. So these children are being taught from the very beginning of their life. We had the opportunity of being trained up by our parents like this. Many saintly persons used to visit my father's house. My father was Vaishnava, pure Vaishnava, and he wanted me to become a Vaishnava. Whenever some saintly person would come, he would ask me, please bless my son that he can become a servant of Radha. That was his prayer. He never prayed for anything. And he gave me education how to play mridanga. My mother was against. There were two teachers, one for teaching me ABCD and one for teaching me mridanga. So the one teacher was waiting and the other teacher was teaching me how to play mridanga. So my mother would be angry. So what is this nonsense you are teaching mridanga? What will you do with this mridanga? But perhaps my father wanted that I should be a great mridanga player in the future. Therefore, I am very much indebted to my father, and I have dedicated my book, Krishna book, to him. He wanted me to be preacher of Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, and player of mridanga, and to become servant of Radha. So every parent should think like that. Otherwise one should not become father and mother. That is the intention of the Shastra. There is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, Pita nahasad janani nasasad, guru nasasad, sajano nasasad. In this way, the conclusion is, namo chairja samapita mrittam. If one is unable to rescue his disciple from the imminent danger of death, he should not become a guru. One should not become father or mother if he cannot do so. In this way, no friend, no relatives, no father, no. If one cannot teach his other part to how to save from the clutches of death, that education is wanting throughout the whole world. And simple thing is that one can avoid this entanglement of birth, death, old age and disease simply by becoming Krishna conscious.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.